In this video, you'll learn how to wire the myosmart cuff using the designated cable set, the coaxial plug, and the electric wrist rotator. Start by opening the snap button on electrode number 3. Pull out the exposed 2-pin cable underneath. Close the snap button and open the snap button on electrode number 5. Take the exposed Y cable out. And close the snap button. Next, connect the 2-pin cable of the cable set to the 2-pin cable of the cuff. Connect the 3-pin cables with the white and the blue dot. And the 3-pin cables without dots. When wiring the coaxial plug with the myosmart cuff, only connect the 2-pin plug of the battery. And do not use the 2-pin cable of the cable set. Position the coaxial plug so that the 2-pin contact is at the top. Insert the 3-pin cable without the blue dot into the left contact and the cable with the blue dot into the right. Plug the 2-pin power supply cable into contact number 1. Secure the coaxial plug with the lock ring 11S4. To follow along, rotate the wrist rotator to match the image on the left. Then, take the 3-pin cable without the blue dot and connect it to the left contact number 2. Plug the 3-pin cable with the blue dot into the right contact number 2. Next, insert the 2-pin cable of the cable set into the right contact number 3 and the 2-pin cable of the power supply into the right contact number 1. Ensure the pre-connected motor cable of the wrist rotator is firmly seated in the left contact number 3. Finally, secure the electric wrist rotator with the lock ring 11S4.